Did you know you can fall in love with someone just by being near them enough times? There's a psychological effect called the mere exposure effect. It says that the more you're exposed to something, the more you start to like it. Not because it got better, just because it became familiar. And it works on people too. Studies show that repeated contact with someone generates measurable increases in positive feeling, even when nothing else changes. No deeper conversations, no shared experiences, just proximity, just repetition, which means that a lot of what we call attraction isn't really attraction at all. It's familiarity wearing a disguise. Here's the part that's hard to sit with. Many of the most intense loves people have ever felt weren't chosen. They were installed, built slowly through repeated access until the brain started reading familiar as right. The mere exposure effect works just as well on the wrong person as it does on the right one. So how do you know which one you actually have? What's your answer? Write it in the comments below. Follow for more psychology questions that make you think.